We all want to live in a truly smart, connected home. Introducing USE, an intelligent lock that brings forth the newest home security experience. Now you have the freedom to secure your home at maximum convenience. With the USE lock, you have complete control over how you unlock your door. Your smartphone is your key. Simply by tapping on your smartphone, you can open your door for your friends. With a built-in camera, you can get notifications when someone is nearby, so your home is always protected and will never be caught off guard. When going out, you can set USE to the double security mode. With video recording and its alert function, unwanted visitors will think twice before stepping foot on your property. USE combines all of our best security features into one lock. You are free to use the traditional key, smartphone, fingerprint, passcode, and key fob. You will never have to worry about losing or forgetting your keys again. But we didn't stop there. With the advanced biometric facial recognition technology, you can even unlock your door with a glance. All it takes is a look. Back us today on Kickstarter and give your home a new level of security and convenience.